Infinix GT 20 Pro versus the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Today we are going to do an epic comparison between these two great smartphones from Infinix. The GT 20 Pro comes in the sleek packaging with some cool gaming accessories like trigger controls and an external cooling fan. The Note 40 Pro Plus box includes the phone itself, a 100 watts charger which is crazy fast, USB cable, basic earphones, and a magnetic wireless charging port. Now in the design department, these phones are quite different. Like the GT20 Pro screams gaming DNA with its rainbow RGB mecha loop light strip on the back. In contrast, the Note 40 Pro Plus has a more conventional premium aesthetic with a fox leather textured back and slim curved display bezels. The GT20 Pro feels chunkier to accommodate that ginormous 5000 mAh battery and advanced cooling hardware we'll talk about later. Now, speaking of displays, both rock a beautiful 6.78-inch AMOLED panels that are ideal for gaming and media, with those inky blacks and vibrant colors. However, the GT20 Pro pulls ahead with its ridiculously bright 1300 nits peak brightness and buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate support for compatible games. The Note 40 Pro Plus caps out at 120Hz but does claim 10-bit color processing. On the software side, you get Android 14 out of the box on both phones with Infinix XOS custom skin on top. It's a pretty feature-packed UI with all the usual personalization options and some Infinix extras like AI wallpaper generator and virtual assistant. Now, both phones will be getting 2 Android updates over the years. For cameras, both phones bring their A game with versatile 108 megapixel main shooters, OIS stabilization, and a bunch of creative modes. Like the GT20 Pro can capture 4K 60 frames per second video, while the Note 40 is limited to 2K 30 frames per second max. However, the Note 40 has an extra ultra-wide camera which the GT20 lacks. In terms of image quality, both phones perform great for the price with punchy and detailed shots in good lighting. But let's get to the real meat, gaming performance. And this is where the premium GT20 Pro really flexes its muscle as a gaming beast. It packs the powerful Dimensity 8200 chip along with a dedicated Pixelworks GPU booster for ultra-high frame rate gaming. Now, combine that with its massive vapor chamber cooling solution and gaming trigger accessories, and you've got a certified mobile gaming slayer on your hands. The Note 40 Pro Plus is no slouch either with its Dimensity 7020 chip and vapor chamber cooling, but it did struggle to maintain smooth frame rate at maxed out visual setting in my testing. What really sets the GT20 Pro apart is its sleek gaming software features like the X Arena Hub, esports performance mode, HDR graphics enhancement, and convenient gaming toolbox. For battery life, the GT20 Pro's massive 5000 mAh cell and relatively power efficient MediaTek chip kept it running throughout the day, even with intense gaming at times. It also supports 45 watts fast charging. While the Note 40 Pro Plus has a smaller 4600 mAh battery, it absolutely demolishes the GT20 Pro in charging speeds and insane 100 watt wired and 20 watt wireless turbo charging capabilities. It's replenished from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. Now, to sum up, the Infinix GT20 Pro is very clearly the ultimate mobile gaming warrior with its laundry list of gaming specific hardware and software optimizations, but it's also a more expensive premium device. Now, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G takes a more balanced approach as a multimedia powerhouse. While it can't quite match the extreme gaming performance of the GT20 Pro, it still packs plenty of horsepower for demanding games and apps. Now, more importantly, it brings flagship features like blazing 100 watt wired and 20 watt wireless charging as well as an ultra-wide camera that the GT Pro lacks, all at a more affordable price point. So in the end, it comes down to your priorities. If extreme mobile gaming is your biggest need, like the GT20 Pro is the obvious choice with its gaming specific optimizations and accessories. But if you want a more well-rounded multimedia machine that can also game while packing crazy fast charging and an ultra-wide cam, the Note 40 Pro could be a better value pick. Now, of course, I will include the updated pricing and purchase link for both phones in the description below. Let me know which of these two Infinix beasts you prefer and why in the comment section below. Now that's my full take on the Infinix GT20 Pro and Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more awesome tech videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. I am Eugene and this is Brandolux.